Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be sharing a quick and simple donut recipe. You only need a few ingredients to make this, guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so and hit that like button. Let's get started. So to my bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and bloom my yeast. I had some warm water, the yeast, and I'm just going to use some vanilla sugar. Now this part is totally optional. If you are using instant yeast and you're sure your yeast is good, you could just go ahead and add it to your flour mixture, but I always like to keep it on the safe side and bloom my yeast. Now to this, I'm going to add my Greek yogurt and I'm gonna mix this in. So this is basically a 3-ingredient donut, but as we said before, if you're okay with just adding your yeast, you could just add your yeast and your flour and that would be it. So I like to bloom my yeast, and I'm adding a little bit of salt. This is optional as well. And now I'm gonna go in with my all-purpose flour and I'm gonna give this a good mix, and then I'm gonna go in with my hands, form this into a dough ball. Then I'm gonna set this aside to poof for about 40 minutes to an hour. At this point, the dough should be nice and soft, sticky but not tacky. You want it soft to the touch. You don't want it to be too hard and you don't want it to be too wet. Now that my dough has rested and doubled in size, I'm going to roll these out. Now you're going to see that the texture is a little bit different. As we start kneading it, it starts getting smoother because this has no fat in it. It is super soft. I'm just going to go ahead and divide these up into pieces. Now guys, the pieces are up to you. You could just eyeball this, or if you want to be more accurate, you could measure with a full scale, but I'm just going to go in and eyeball this, and I'm going to make these into little balls. Then I'm going to roll them out into some donut shapes. Then I'm going to cut some holes into it. But mind you, you don't have to do all that. You could just make these into donut holes. You could shape them however you want. The greatest part is we have a decent and soft, nice dough to work with. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I'll be rolling these out. These take no time at all to make. And as I mentioned before, you only need 3 primary ingredients: the yeast, the flour, and the yogurt. Anything else is an addition. I wanted to be extra, so I added some vanilla sugar, but you could leave that out. And if you are sure that your yeast is good, you don't need to go ahead and bloom your yeast if you're using instant yeast and you are sure it's good. But I like to be on the safe side, so whatever yeast I'm using, I always like to bloom my yeast first. Now I'm just going to cut these out and rest them on a piece of parchment paper, so once I'm ready to fry, they will release easily and they won't squish, because these are going to be raised and they're going to be soft, so we don't want them to squishy or deformed. We want them to hold their shape. Now it's time for frying. So in my pan, I'm just going to go in with some vegetable oil. You want to use a oil that has a high smoke point: peanut oil, vegetable oil, grapeseed oil, any one of those oils. We don't want to use olive oil. Olive oil tends to burn and it will taste nasty. Now I'm going to fry these off in batches. We don't want to crowd your pan. And we want to fry these until they're golden brown. You want to keep an eye on this. If you turn away, you might burn these, or they might soak up oil. You don't want to leave these unattended. You want to pay keen attention until you're done frying every last one. Now once these are golden brown and properly fried, I'm just going to remove these and place them on a wire rack to drain off any of the excess grease, and continue on with the rest of them. Guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And that's basically it. My donuts are done frying. Now this part is totally optional that I'm going to do here. You could go ahead and glaze these in, well, dip them into some sugar. If you want, you could go ahead and to the extra step and add some cinnamon to your sugar, but I'm just going to keep these simple and just dip them into some plain old sugar. And let me tell you guys, these were super delicious. And let me tell you, this is perfect with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, anything you want to enjoy it with, any time of the day, a snack, anything. These are awesome. Try this recipe and let me know down in the comment section what you think about this recipe. And if you try this recipe and you like it, you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. And that's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.